Happy
Father's Day, Lolo Maning.
Lolo Maning. Thank you for
Being a dad of my wife.
Yeah. And
Being a grandpa for my two sons. Wish you a long life. More birthdays to come.
more Father's Day to come. Enjoy your stay there with Ate Rita. Hope you have a blast in Canada. Tay, thank you for being a superhero sa amin, magkakapatid. Thank you for your love and guidance and for all your hard work. Tingnan mo naman saan tayo nakarating lahat.
Yeah.
Thank you for unconditional love for us, sa inyo ni Nanay, and ano man yung naging na mga pagkukulang namin bilang anak ninyo, sana mapunan namin yun ng paunti-unti. Thank you again. Happy Father's Day. We love you so much. And stay happy and healthy. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo
Happy
Maning.
Father's Day, Lolo Maning.